Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to send any document in Gmail. So let's started. At first, open your document. In this video, I will show send any document in Gmail. Now going to the I choose from Chrome browser. Now click from Chrome browser from open. Now for click. Now you can see then I show the new interface. Then I show Chrome browser open. Now we select from, then I show the Gmail. Now select from Gmail. Now for click. Now you can see then we show many option in the new interface. Now send from any document. Now I click from compose option. Now for click. Now you can see then again show new interface, new message to and subject. Now to from sender an email address, then I show the sender to mailing address. Now subject any name. Now subject from document. Then we show the any document. Now select from attach file option. Now you can see then I show the, now you can see then I select from document. Now for click, then click for open. Then I show the document. Now we can see then select from send option. That it's. Now you can see then show select from, now send already successful in the any document in the Gmail. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.